guys, I'm makeup artist Daniel Martin, and I'm gonna show my friend Emma here how to do a really easy, beautiful date night makeup. So I'm just gonna show you easy ways to kind of add a smoky eye with your finger. Ooh. And then also kind of like, because I feel like you like to play up more of your eyes than your lips. Perfect. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add these tones of gold and some depth, because you have really beautiful space in your eye, but I'm gonna use it with my finger. So it's super easy. I'm gonna take this warm amber, go ahead and close to me, and I'm just gonna go all over your lid with it. Open for me, great. And then this darker tone right here is going on the corners. Okay. And makeup should be fun, it should be easy, and it should be effortless, especially if it's like a date. You don't want to look too done, but you want to look finished. And when I work, I tend to do the eyes first because all the cleanup that happens afterwards is easier. And I'm just going to take a brush, just kind of give you a bit more structure. Are you excited about your date?
Yes. We met on an app, but what I think is unusual is that he called me.
Oh, wow.
So we've actually like heard each other's voices, and he seems like a nice person.
That's amazing.
And normally, like, I don't wear makeup a ton in my regular life, so I don't like to set crazy expectations by wearing a ton of makeup, so this is good. Yeah,
this will just give you it'll make you look finished. It won't, it won't make it look like you had your makeup done, so to speak. Because, I mean, I think that you want the person to see you first. Yeah. Do you know what I mean?
That's exactly it.
Yeah.
The most I'll usually do is like eyeliner and mascara, and that's it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
This is just like elevating it.
Exactly, exactly. And go ahead and open and look up for me. Right. And I'm just gonna take it into the bottom lash line, just in the outer corner.
I've never done that before. What color are you using?
Still this darkest one, yeah. Because also considering that it's evening, the light's gonna be low, you want a bit of depth in this area. And then I'm gonna take this eyeliner, and I'm gonna go into your waterline with it. So go ahead and open for me. And this pencil has a bit of gold in it. And I want you to really squeeze your eye, because what happens is the tearing moves the liner. So it creates this really cool, kind of smoky, smudgy, lived-in look.
Cool.
And squeeze again.
Ooh.
Yeah, sorry.
That was my least favorite part.
And open for me. And I'm gonna lift your lid up, but I'm gonna have you look down for me. Great, and I'm just gonna come up this way.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
I never used a brown line. I always use black.
Oh, yeah.
Or I have like this electric blue one that I put on the top.
Oh, amazing.
But that's like, my makeup collection is not so exciting.
This eyeliner is great because it has flecks of copper in it. So what it'll do is it'll pull a lot of the warmth out of your eye out. Go ahead and look down for me, and I'm just gonna take some mascara into your lashes.
Do you have any secrets for choosing a mascara? 'Cause I've been using the same like pink and green Maybelline since I was in dance recitals when I was 5.
I feel like mascara is that one thing that girls have, and that's their mainstay favorite. So this one that I'm using on you now is Dior Show Over Curl, because I really love how deep this gets. Amazing. And again, you don't want anything too big with your mascara. Yeah, it's beautiful definition.
Do you ever put it on over, I've seen people put it over like the top.
On the top, your lashes tend to go down. So I think the weight of the mascara will just make it even heavier.
So it's better to flip it up.
It's better to go up. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna use a bit of concealer just to kind of even you out.
I use like Bare Minerals, and it's just like a powder, and I feel like it doesn't cancel out my dark circles enough.
A lot of it too is placement. You want to just balance you out in the center. Like I'm not even going to take the concealer all the way up. Just going to keep it right through here. And I'm just going to tap my pinky through it. So I'm only taking your concealer to about here. You have such beautiful skin too. I really want that to come through.
Thank you.
Especially on your first date. You want them to see you. You don't want them to see like a mask, a face full of makeup. So now I'm just taking a highlighter and I'm just gonna top it off on the highest part of your cheek because you have incredible cheekbones. And this is just gonna give you a nice little pop. It's not like a stripe of strobing or anything like that. It's just gonna give you a bit of radiance. And I'm just gonna use this awesome pomade by Dior just to give your lips some radiance. And it's a nice kissable lip, if you know what I mean. Great. Perfect. So I think this is good for a first date. You wanna look finished, you want definition, you don't want to look so different. Good luck on your date tonight.
Thank you.
Have fun.
I
hope
think
you
I
kiss
will.
him.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.